Hello, fellow crafters, and welcome to Valentine's Day with a touch of NSK hop. You have probably arrived here from Neris or DC Scrap and Rooster channel, so come and take a seat in my comfortable cab and hopefully you will enjoy your ride to the next destination. My name is Erla and I live in Iceland. And when Natasha asked me if I was willing to participate in this hop, I took the opportunity and said yes, because I want to go outside my box. I have never recorded a video, so this is my first, and I hope it will go well. But I'm here to show you some projects I made with products from Natasha Scrapbook Corner or NSK. And here you see a card I made, a Valentine's card. And I got the image from Graphic Fairy. And then I used some of the molds that Natasha carries in her shop. And they are the most beautiful molds I have seen. I used this one, and it's here, and I used molding paste from Golden. I had seen, I think it was 47 MC using it, and I liked it, so I bought it the last time I was in America. But as you can see, this is the mold, the first one, and you can see all the hazing here in between. And of course, I don't want that. So if you are using these molds with a molding paste, let them cure a bit and then rub them with rubbing alcohol or baby wipes, and try to take away everything that is nesting here. And don't forget to go around too, so you won't get the hazing here. And then I used these berry sprays, beet berry sprays here, and I also used these wheat flowers, and then I decorated with the small acrylic flowers here. They are so beautiful. And I also used some tulle behind the bow, and this is a bow from NSK, which I colored with Copic colors. I also colored the mold with Tim Holtz Distress ink to get the colors right. The second project I'm gonna show you is this book. This was just an ordinary notebook I bought cheap, and I began by taking off the inside. I took it off here and put some fabric over. I put some stuffing under the fabric so you can see it gives a little bit. And then I put some paper here, and then I can write it. I also made a band and put some charm from NSK here. And on here I also used a mold. I used this one this time, and I colored it with silk acrylic glaze to get some, I wanted some red color. And I also used this trim. This is a cotton lace trim. I think it's 2 3/4 of an inch wide. And I also used some wooden embellishment, a heart I got from NSK. I also wanted to show you some of the things, some of the molds Natasha has. And this one, I made this beautiful doilies. Oh, I forgot, in the card, of course I forgot, you can hardly see it. Behind the flowers, there are some molds too, like flowers in shape. I'm gonna show you. It's this mold I used. And as you can see, I used this one and this one. But you can see you can put this under some flowers. It's really beautiful. And maybe color it or whatever. I also made some Eiffel Towers. I was gonna use it on the book, but I didn't, so. And you can paint them. I tried to spray some, but that wasn't happening. The spray was just pooling on it. This one I used the flourishes she has, and you see it comes out beautifully. And because I'm using the molding paste, it's so light, so I can use it on cards because I'm mostly a card maker. And here are some feathers and the wings. I'm looking forward to find something to do and use these on. Okay, I hope you enjoyed your ride, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.